As you can see, I've fused the chest pocket and the placket on the front panel of the outfit with Elmi gum already. So I've started sewing the chest pocket already, and I'm doing this slowly. I'm not hastening up to thread. I'm doing it slowly. Anything that concerns the front panel of an outfit, you have to take it easy, not in a hurry or in a rush. You thread gently, you thread gently. As you can see, that's the way I'm doing. I'm not rushing the threading of the pocket. I'm doing it slowly. So for you to have a good finishing, you must ensure that you are accurate at what you are doing. So it is not about speed, as I often say, it's about the accuracy. So we are almost done now with the pocket. I'm done. I have to top stitch so that it will not pull off by the time the person starts wearing the outfit. So I'm top stitching now. You can see we are done. Look at how neat it is. So let us go to the placket now. Very neat. So the placket is starting now, but then I'll have to detach the placket a little bit from the main body because Elmi gum has glued both of them together. I did that in the process of me preparing the front panel. So now let's start sewing. I've started sewing now, you can see, and I'm threading, stitching it slowly. So I'll get it to the top now. That place, if you discover that at that place now, I will be using my hand to run the machine. Why? Because that place is always thick. You get it? So it's always thick, and I have to use my hand so that the thread will not cut. I have to use my hand to drive it, to drive the the needle into the placket and at that region. So now I've continued sewing, and I'm doing that down, and I'm doing it slowly. The threading is being done slowly. Always ensure you are not speed, except you have mastered accurately. You have mastered it very well. I can speed up as well, but for the sake of the tutorial, that's why I'm doing this. I'm not always in a hurry to finish my front panel. I'm not always in a hurry because I know that that's what people see on my customers whenever they wear their clothes. So I take my time to do it perfectly well. So that's why I'm doing it slowly, one stitch at a time. So we are almost done with the placket now, because we are getting to the end where we are going to be top stitching the end part of it. So it's maybe like 3 to 4 inches to finish up. Follow through. We're almost done now. So that's the end. You can see I'm top stitching so that it will not be pulling off. So you have to top stitch that place very well, but it will not be too much as well. You can see that's what we've been able to achieve at the end of the day. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe and share, and also turn on your notification button because we have so many things in store for you. Thank you.